What's up, buddies? Super Mega here. Welcome back to another design video. So, similar to the video that I made, I don't even know how long ago, quite a long time ago, about the car. Today, I'm going to be trying to make a 3D printed puzzle cube. It's designed so that all these parts fit together and then they shape into a nice 3D cube. So we're pretty much just going to have some sort of squared or, well, cube of course. And then because this is another kind of first iteration, I'm just going to be having really simple cutouts. Well, at least the flat faces are going to appear simple. The actual pieces are going to end up being a little bit complicated, but probably something like this. Maybe just shade it to show that it's a different color. This is all one cutout piece. I should actually put it on the top too. This is probably going to be a separate piece from the rest of the cube. So is this, and this is going to go into the entire thing and onto the other side. And yeah, we'll probably have a few others darted around. I think it's time to move on to CAD design, and then after that we have printing. Okay, so I have just went and designed the full little puzzle cube thing. So as you can see, it's relatively simple. There's this light blue piece which is kind of holding everything else. Maybe in later versions I'll have more of a set of small pieces that put together. But if I just make some of these invisible, you can kind of see how the rest of them interlock in varying different ways. I'll get to printing all 5 of these pieces. Probably have maybe a time lapse of that. We have our little watermark here. Okay, and I'll catch you putting them together pretty much. Okay, so I have just fully printed the entire cube here. Here's all of the parts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pieces. It's a very simple version 1. I will likely do more. I don't know if I'll record. I'm gonna make a separate video, but pretty much this is kind of to see if it was really possible. So I can start to kind of put in these pieces. Like here you can see right here there's this very specific area, so I just slide that on in. And let's see, where does this go? Well, I mean, I'm the creator, so I know where everything went, but that should go like that. And then let's see, this can kind of go in like that. A lot of sliding in this puzzle. And last but not least, this piece can just go in like that. Okay, so really simple, like version 1 cube here. I might make more, I might not. This is probably, well, I guess this is the second project video I've done here. Oh, well, I need to fix up those tolerances, make a little bit, have friction play a little bit more of a role since it kind of just, all the parts slide on out all the time. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, please do leave a like, subscribe if you're new to like my content, leave a comment, I'll reply to you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye!